and taking that, like looking at the regulations and looking at like what's the risk profile of this particular regulation? You know, how likely is it that it's going to get pulled because of federal changes or state changes? And once you know what the risk profile is, let's say you have a really high risk regulation and it's one of the markets that you operate in. Okay, what is the carrot that will replace the stick? You know, because you could have a really high risk of losing the regulatory advantage, but that's okay if you have a backup plan that you can pivot into. So for instance, you might be getting a lot of, let's say you're selling like PPAs, like power purchase agreements for clean energy. And previously there was a need to source X amount of clean energy in these sectors. And that mandate was driving a lot of the demand for your products. Well, in the new era without that regulation, you're going to be having to ask the question, which sectors need the profitability that comes from the security of having energy prices that aren't volatile because of fossil fuel changes, right?